Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to insert shapes to your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go over to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application. Search for this, open up the Keynote application. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, go to the top toolbar, go to File, go to Open. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, now go to Open. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to Add a Slide. Click on anything you wish for. Let's just delete the content within the slide. And now the purpose of this tutorial is to insert a shape or shapes to your presentation slide. So let's now click on Shape. Let's click on the square. Increase the size of the square. We can change the color of the square. If we wish to have a border, we can have that. And maybe change the color of this border to, let's just say, any color of your choice. That's fine. Let's revert that back to what it was. If we want to insert another shape, let's just say a circle, we can do that. And again, change the color, add a border. Let's now insert an arrow. Change the color, add a border. If we want to, we can have that reflect towards the bottom of the screen. We can insert a title or a caption if we wish to. That's all for another video. So, Command S to save, and that's how you insert a shape or shapes to your presentation slide on the Keynote application. Let's now quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.